We'll guide you through how to import map from Blender to Unity. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To import a map from Blender to Unity, begin by opening the Start menu by pressing the Windows key or clicking the Start icon on the taskbar. Type Blender into the search bar to locate the software. Then click the top search result to launch the Blender application. After Blender opens, select the map object you created so it becomes the active object in the scene. Go to the File menu, choose Export, and then select FBX as the export format for the model. Pick a folder on your computer where you want to save the exported files. In the export settings, enable the Selected Objects option so only the chosen map is exported correctly, then press Export FBX to save the file. After exporting the model, open the UV editing workspace at the top of the Blender interface. Choose the main color texture for the map, open the Image menu, select Save As, and save the texture into your project folder. Next, switch to the normal map texture and use Image followed by Save As to store the texture in the same folder for easier organization. Once the Blender files are ready, open the Start menu again by pressing the Windows key. Type Unity into the search bar and open the Unity application from the results. Wait for Unity to finish loading completely before continuing. Select the Unity project where you want to import the map model and allow the main scene and editor layout to load fully. Locate the exported FBX map file on your computer and drag it into the Assets window inside Unity. After the file imports successfully, drag the imported FBX map model from the Assets folder into the Scene view to place it in your project. Import the saved texture images by dragging the base texture files into the Unity Assets window. Finally, select the base texture from the Assets folder and drag it onto the FBX map object in the Scene or Hierarchy window so the texture is applied correctly to the map. You can now inspect the imported map inside Unity to confirm that the textures, scale, and placement appear correctly.